Ever feel like your accounts payable process is more of a tangled web than a smooth operation? You're not alone. Managing invoices, tracking payments, and ensuring accuracy can feel like a constant juggling act, especially as your business grows. But what if there was a way to transform that chaos into clarity, to streamline your AP workflow and gain better control over your finances? That's where NetSuite's Accounts Payable module comes into play. Think of it as your central command center for all things AP, designed to automate tasks, improve visibility, and ultimately save you time and money. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the NetSuite Accounts Payable process, showing you step-by-step how it can revolutionize the way you handle vendor payments. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly touch on why an efficient AP process is so crucial. Beyond just paying your bills, a well-oiled AP machine can unlock significant benefits. We're talking about stronger vendor relationships built on timely payments, the ability to capitalize on early payment discounts, reduced errors and discrepancies, and a clearer picture of your cash flow. In short, a robust AP process isn't just about avoiding late fees. It's a strategic advantage. Now, let's get into the heart of it, the NetSuite AP process. While every business has its nuances, the core workflow in NetSuite generally follows these key stages. 1. Vendor management. It all starts with your vendors. NetSuite allows you to create and maintain comprehensive vendor records. This isn't just about names and addresses. You can store crucial information like payment terms, preferred payment methods, credit limits, and even attach relevant documents like contracts and W-9 forms. Having all this information centralized ensures consistency and reduces the risk of errors down the line. Imagine easily accessing a vendor's payment history or quickly updating their contact details. NetSuite makes this a breeze. 2. Purchase order, PO processing. Optional but recommended while not strictly mandatory for all AP transactions. Utilizing purchase orders within NetSuite adds a significant layer of control and accuracy. When a PO is created and approved, it essentially becomes a pre-approved commitment to pay a vendor for specific goods or services at an agreed-upon price. When the vendor invoice arrives, it can be matched against the corresponding PO, ensuring that what you're being billed for aligns with what you ordered. This three-way match, PO, receiving report, and vendor invoice, is a cornerstone of strong internal controls and helps prevent fraudulent or erroneous payments. NetSuite's PO module allows for customizable approval workflows, ensuring the right people authorize purchases before they're processed. 3. Invoice receipt and entry. This is where the actual AP process kicks into high gear. When a vendor invoice arrives, it needs to be entered into NetSuite. You can manually enter invoice details, including the vendor, invoice number, date, amount, line items detailing the goods or services, and the relevant general ledger, GL, accounts. NetSuite also offers features like optical character recognition, OCR, to automate the data entry process, significantly reducing manual effort and the potential for human error. Imagine simply scanning an invoice and having NetSuite automatically populate most of the key fields. That's the power of OCR integration. 4. Invoice approval. Once an invoice is entered, it typically needs to go through an approval process. NetSuite's workflow engine allows you to define custom approval rules based on factors like invoice amount, vendor, or department. This ensures that invoices are reviewed and authorized by the appropriate personnel before payment. You can set up multi-level approvals and even automate reminders to keep the process moving smoothly. No more chasing down paper approvals or wondering who needs to sign off on what. NetSuite keeps everything digital and trackable. 5. Payment processing. With the invoice approved, it's time to pay your vendor. NetSuite offers various payment options, including electronic funds transfers, EFT, checks, and even integrations with payment gateways for more specialized needs. You can schedule payments in advance, take advantage of early payment discounts, and generate payment files in formats compatible with your bank. NetSuite also maintains a detailed audit trail of all payments, making it easy to track when and how vendors were paid. 6. Payment reconciliation. After payments are made, it's crucial to reconcile your bank statements with the payments recorded in NetSuite. This ensures that your records are accurate and helps identify any discrepancies. NetSuite offers automated bank reconciliation features that can significantly streamline this process, matching transactions and highlighting any exceptions that need your attention. This not only saves time but also provides greater confidence in your financial data. 7. Reporting and analysis. The beauty of having your entire AP process within NetSuite is the powerful reporting and analytics capabilities it offers. You can generate a wide range of reports, including AP aging reports, showing you how much you owe and for how long, cash flow forecasts, vendor payment history, and more. This data provides valuable insights into your spending patterns, vendor performance, and overall financial health, empowering you to make more informed decisions. Beyond these core stages, NetSuite offers a wealth of features to further enhance your AP process. We're talking about the ability to handle foreign currency transactions, manage vendor credits and refunds, process employee expense reports, and integrate with other NetSuite modules like purchasing and general ledger for a seamless flow of information. Think about the time savings alone. Automating data entry, streamlining approvals, and simplifying payment processing can free up your AP team to focus on more strategic tasks, like vendor relationship management and cash flow optimization. And the improved visibility into your payables can help you negotiate better terms with vendors and avoid costly late payment penalties. Furthermore, the robust audit trail within NetSuite provides peace of mind, making it easy to track every step of the AP process and comply with internal controls and regulatory requirements. No more searching through stacks of paper to find a specific invoice or payment record. Everything is readily accessible within the system. Implementing NetSuite's AP module isn't just about adopting a new software. It's about transforming your entire approach to accounts payable. It's about moving from a reactive, error-prone process to a proactive, efficient, and data-driven one. It's about gaining control, improving accuracy, and ultimately contributing to the overall financial health of your organization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.